You're wasting ChatGPT. I don't mean that as an insult, I mean it literally, because the version of ChatGPT you've been using, the one where you type something in, get an answer, and close the tab, that version is about 10% of what this tool actually is, and the other 90%, almost nobody touches it. I've spent months going through the features that power users actually use, not the obvious ones you've already heard about, the ones buried in settings menus and tool dropdowns that most people scroll right past. I found 6, and by the time this video ends, you're going to use ChatGPT in a way that the other 99% of users never will. Let's start with the one that takes 60 seconds to set up and changes every single one conversation you'll ever have after that. Feature 1. Custom instructions. Here's the problem with how most people use ChatGPT. Every new chat, blank slate. The AI knows nothing. Not your job, not your writing style, not even the basics of what you're trying to do. So it plays it safe. It gives you the most average, generic answer it can. You then spend the first 3 messages just setting context. Every single time. There's a fix. It's called custom instructions, and it takes about 60 seconds. Go to your profile icon. Settings, personalization, custom instructions. 2 boxes appear. Box 1, who are you? Tell it your job, your world, what you need. Something like, I'm a 35-year-old marketing manager at a mid-sized company. I make decisions, I don't have time to read essays, and I need practical advice I can actually use today. Box 2, how should it talk to you? Be specific, no fluff, no disclaimers, short paragraphs. Lead with the answer, explain after, save it, done. Now every single conversation you open already knows you. It's the difference between calling a stranger and calling someone who's worked with you for years. Set this up before you do anything else. Seriously. Everything else on this list gets better because of it. Feature 2. Memory custom instructions is a snapshot of you. Memory is the movie. Every time you have a conversation, ChatGPT is quietly picking things up. The way you phrase questions, the projects you keep mentioning, the fact that you always ask for examples or that you hate when it uses the word utilize. Over time, it builds a real picture of you, and it uses that picture every time you come back. You can actually see what it's learned. Settings, personalization, manage memories, it's all there. You can delete anything. You can add things on purpose, just tell it in a normal conversation. Hey, remember that I'm always working across 3 time zones, so keep scheduling suggestions flexible. Now here's what nobody tells you. Custom instructions and memory work together. Custom instructions sets the rules. Memory fills in the details. Use both and ChatGPT stops feeling like a tool you have to train every time and starts feeling like someone who actually knows your work. The people who set this up properly, they're having fundamentally different conversations than everyone else. Feature 3. Projects. Quick question. How many times have you copy-pasted the same background information into ChatGPT? Same files, same context, same, okay, so here's what I'm working on, paragraph, over and over in every new chat. Projects kills that completely. Think of a project as a room you build once. You name it. You set the rules for that room. You drop in your files, documents, spreadsheets, briefs, anything. And from that point on, every conversation inside that room already has everything in it. You're writing a book, there's a room for that. Your manuscript, your outline, your character notes, all in there. You walk in, you start talking, it already knows what you're building. You have 3 clients, 3 rooms. Each one has that client's brand guidelines, their previous work, their preferences. When you open client A's room, you're not starting from scratch. You're picking up exactly where you left off. And here's the part that's easy to miss. Each project has its own separate memory. What ChatGPT learns in your book room doesn't bleed into your client rooms. It stays exactly where it belongs. In the left sidebar, click New Project. That's it, you're in. This is the feature that turns ChatGPT from a chatbot into something that actually works like a collaborator. Feature 4. Deep research. Think about the last time you had to seriously research something. Not a quick search, actually digging. Reading 3 articles, comparing sources, pulling it together into something you could use. How long did that take you? An hour? 3 hours? More? Deep research does that in under 30 minutes, and I'm not rounding down. Here's exactly what happens. You give it a topic, a real question, not tell me about electric cars, but compare the total cost of ownership between a Tesla Model 3 and a Toyota Camry over 7 years, including insurance averages by state. It goes out, It searches, not 2 sources, not 5. We're talking dozens, sometimes hundreds of pages. It reads them, it cross-references what they say, it spots where they disagree, and it comes back with a structured report, with actual citations you can click on. Real uses for this: researching a market before launching something, digging into a competitor, building a presentation on a topic you're not an expert in, investment research, medical background research before a doctor's appointment, prepping for a negotiation. You kick it off from the tools menu inside the chat. Hit go, step away, get a coffee, come back to a report that would have taken you half a day to write yourself. Free users get 5 of these a month. If you've ever paid for research or paid with your time, you understand what that's worth. Feature 5. Advanced Voice Mode with Vision. This one I want you to actually try today, not later, today. Open the ChatGPT app on your phone, hit the voice icon, get into Advanced Voice Mode. Now, look for the small camera icon inside that interface. Tap it. Point your phone at something in the room and just start talking to it about what you're both looking at. Point it at a document you received and ask, what's the most important thing I need to act on here? Point it at something you're cooking and ask, does this look right? Is it done? Point it at a product you found at a store and ask, is this a good price? What are the reviews like? Are there better alternatives? Point it at a section of code on your screen, a design mock-up, a legal clause, a handwritten note, a broken appliance, and just talk. It sees what you see, it hears what you say, it responds in real time, like you're on a call with someone who's right there with you. This is free, you don't need a subscription. It's sitting in the app right now, waiting. Most people have never tapped that camera icon. Tap it today. Feature 6. Agent Mode. Everything so far makes ChatGPT better at talking to you. This last one is different. Agent Mode makes ChatGPT work for you. Actually work, not answer, act. In Agent Mode, ChatGPT can open a browser and navigate it on its own. It can go to websites, read pages, fill in information. It can connect to your Google Calendar and look at what's actually on your schedule. It can open your Google Drive, find a file, read it, and use what it finds. It can research a topic, organize the results, and deliver them in exactly the format you asked for, all in one go. Let me give you a concrete example so this lands. You open ChatGPT Monday morning and type, look at my calendar for this week. For every meeting with a client or external person, find recent news about their company or industry. Then write me a short briefing, 3 bullet points for each one, so I walk in prepared. You come back 10 minutes later, it's done. Every meeting, every briefing, ready. To try it, look for Agent Mode in the drop-down at the top of your chat window. Connect your apps through Settings, then Connectors. Google Calendar, Google Drive, Dropbox, GitHub, they're all in there. It will always ask your permission before it does anything sensitive. You stay in control the whole time. This is not a gimmick. This is the direction everything is going. AI that doesn't just answer, but actually does the work. And the gap between people who learn this now and people who figure it out in 2 years, that gap is going to be enormous. 6 features. Let me run them one more time. Custom instructions. Brief it once, better answers forever. Memory. It learns you over time. You stop repeating yourself. Projects. Your own workspaces, everything already loaded. Deep research. Hours of research done in minutes with sources. Advanced voice with vision. Talk to it while it sees what you see. Agent mode. It doesn't just answer, it works. None of this requires technical skills. None of it costs extra if you're already using ChatGPT. It just requires knowing it exists, and now you do. One last thing. Which of these 6 is the one you're going to try first? Drop it in the comments. I'm genuinely curious. And if this video actually changed how you think about this tool, you know what to do. I'll see you in the next one.